If you're anything like me, you don't like too many appliances on your countertop. These days, there are so many single-purpose appliances: a rice cooker, an air fryer, a toaster, an oven, a microwave, amongst many others. We cannot fit all of them in our mostly tiny kitchens. So when I saw this Philips OneChef was able to replace all of these with one appliance, I had to try it out. You can use it to make idlis for breakfast, steam your veggies for lunch, air fry your evening snacks, and even cook biryani for dinner, and so much more. This video is made in collaboration with Philips, but like always, the opinions are all my own. The Philips OneChef can easily replace your rice cooker to boil rice, cook biryanis or make curries, and also replace a steamer to make idlis or vegetables or momos. It comes with a cooking pot and a glass lid for when you are cooking rice or curries or sauteing. It also has a steaming basket for steaming your vegetables or your momos. In addition, it has an idli plate to make consistently steamed idlis. It uses Ambi-Heat Technology with intelligent temperature sensors. So what does that really mean? It automatically adapts the temperature across different cooking stages. So if you need to brown your onions for tadka, it can use high heat. If you need to cook your gravy or curry on low heat, that can be done as well. The Philips OneChef reduces the number of utensils that you need when you're cooking. You can boil in it and also cook in the same cooking pot. The Philips OneChef can easily replace your OTG for baking or toaster for toasting sandwiches. It also comes with an air fry rack and has dual heating at the top and the bottom for consistently cooked food. If you're craving pizza but want a healthy alternative, you have to try out this healthy chapati with egg burji pizzas made in the Philips OneChef. You can use leftover or fresh chapatis and any other topping of your choice. It's not just toasted to perfection, it is a healthy and tasty substitute for your regular pizzas. Sure, if you want to bake larger quantities or you're a home chef or a baker, you may still prefer an OTG over this product. In addition, the 6-liter capacity is more than adequate to cook for a family of 4+ people. If you're looking for a healthy evening snack, this roasted kurkure chana in the OneChef can be a great option. You should make sure to spread the boiled chana evenly and not overcrowd the bowl so that all of the chickpeas are crispy and crunchy. Now let's talk about the build and the controls. This Philips OneChef has a premium build with a sleek matte black and copper finish, the quality you would expect from a Philips product. The interface is minimal, as you can see, and intuitive to use with 6 preset modes for air fry, stir fry, steam, boil, curry, and keep warm to get us started with ease. But if you're an expert cook, you can always use the manual mode to set the time and temperature as per your preferred recipe. You can also access a range of recipes built for the Philips OneChef on the Home ID app. I can see that minute attention to detail has gone into making this product, like the soft touch closing of the lid and how the handles stay cool no matter how hot the cooking gets. So here's my take. After using the Philips OneChef for a few days now, I think it can easily replace your air fryer, oven for small quantity baking, steamer, and your rice cooker. The Ambi-Heat technology does really good with not burning the food at the bottom. The only drawback I see is while the product can do a lot with one appliances, it's still a single pot. You have to sequence your cooking if you plan to make multiple dishes for the same meal. The Philips OneChef comes with the build quality that you would expect from a Philips brand and a 2-year warranty. If you're looking for convenience in cooking and reclaiming your countertop space without sacrificing the authentic taste of your favorite foods, then this Philips OneChef is a no-brainer. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh+ community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.